heard kanina about the communion, how God gave to us. Yan. And thank you, Kuya Jonas, for sharing the communion for us. Yan. And now, we are here kung paano naman natin i-show yung giving natin kay God. Ayan. And my name is Michael, for those who don't know me. Ganyan. My name is Michael. Here with me is our sister, a benevolent sister. Ayan, together we are part of the Anaya. Ayan, Anaya Bible Talk. Ganyan. And ayan, for us to learn more about the heart of giving, I give you Anaya to share for us. Come on.
Good morning, family. I just want to take this opportunity to thank you guys for this the binigay niyo to speak for our So I just want to start off lang with benevolence. Lagi kong naririnig. Pero actually, I realized that I didn't really understand what it meant deeply for me actually. So, tinatanong ko din noon sa sarili ko, bakit kayo ba benevolence?
Come on.
So, and thank God gave me an answer. So, defining benevolence, did you know that it came from the Latin word bene, meaning good, and volent, meaning wishing.
Wow.
So, in short, it means wishing good for others.
Wow.
Benevolence means kindness, goodwill, or the desire to do good to others.
Come on.
When someone acts benevolence, they are being generous, compassionate, and helpful, not because they're forced or expected to do it, but because they want to. So it's not only desiring good, but it's also about acting upon that desire. Through what? Through giving, through helping, and so we see that benevolence is the seed of kindness in the heart, but generosity is the fruit that grows.
Right. Come on.
So when our hearts truly desire to do good, we naturally give, willingly, joyfully, and even beyond what's expected. So that's generosity.
Yeah.
Brothers and sisters, before reaching or searching into our pockets, into our bags, or into our wallets, have you searched your hearts?
Wow!
Later. Come on.
Let's read in 1 John, chapter 3, verse 17 to 18. So, sabi dito, if anyone has material possessions and sees a brother or sister in need but has no pity on them, how can the love of God be in that person? Dear children, let us not love with words or speech, but with actions and in truth. So, I am very direct lang yung verse na it reminds us that love isn't just by words, it's proven by action.
Right.
Again, benevolence is the inward desire, generosity is the outward proof.
Wow!
And really, how can I say that I'm benevolent if there's no action to show it? Like, how can I claim to desire the good of others if I don't move, give, or act when I have the chance? So this is the chance, brothers and sisters, to show your benevolent heart.
Come on.
Not just through words or intentions, but through simple act of giving that I love through witness. Today, brothers and sisters, let's not give just because it's time to give. Let's give because God gave first, and because His Spirit is forming in us a heart that longs to bless others.
Wow.
May our giving today be more than an amount, and let us be people who don't just say we care, but show it in the way we care.
Come on.
And brothers and sisters, naman, it's not the amount of money that we give, it's the amount of love. Yan. And as we give our love, let's pray.